Mm.
Hindi mo mapos.
And now we're going down.
Yes.
Go Pinde.
I'll jump. Gamit man god may YouTube.
See, he will jump. My cousin will jump. Go there. Oh, how about me? Maybe I will not jump. Now I will show you how to give food to our fish over there. Our fish pond. It's far away, but you can go there. Just a minute or so in walking. They're already walking to go there at the pond. So oh, the goat is there. See? See how high it is. Right, can it walk? Look like so easy, but it's hard to. I think this way is a little bit nice. If you do like this. Oh, eh. Yup. Mm. Giving feeds to the goats. There's the pond. I'll show you how to give food. Oh, we're going down. We're now to the pond. Check video.
Iba-ibang kulay dito, maganda din eh.
Hmm?
Iba-ibang kulay, orange. Orange.
Ah.
Okay, may orange. Pero dito sa pikas pa, naglulutang yung orange.
Now we will watching the see my dad here. This is orange tilapia.
Ano malinaw yan, tapos ilagay mo hindi sa ano sa hindi. Dami mag-ano yan kay Kinji. Tapos yung mapigil, ano ka rin mag...
Super, payan Mr. Beast. Agama ko.
Pati dito po mo, Bing. Oh, Bing.
Trabahin na
Mm.
Dito sa kubo, ilagay mo rin ang parang...
Very nice weather. Mm.
Foods. Ito, may ano,
Banana.
banana. Banana.
Some motor there, motor pump, the scatter. Sa typical typical farm and feeds for the goats.
Ano natin dyan?
And we can cook some food over here.
Hindi.
And that's all for today. Bye.